chargers can fucking suck it, fuck their wives, drink their blood.
DYU C3 foldable electric bike. This small, light bike packs a powerful punch. With a 350 watt high-speed motor, this bike can travel at least 15 miles per hour, and with pedal assist, you can travel 25 miles. Keep watching and you're gonna see everything I put this awesome bike through. Let's go ahead and unpack this e-bike. Right away, I can tell that this But go ahead and check all that just in case. All right, let's give this bike its first test. Let's take it around the neighborhood and give it a spin. Woo!